everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a Boxycharm try on. Like always, it's my lunch break, so I'm in a mood. I am coming at you barefaced because I have some really awesome products in here. I took a little bit of a look that I would like to try on for you guys. So we're gonna try this on. We're gonna take a look at what I got in my box. If you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you back on the channel for future videos. And if you're not new here, thanks for checking this out. Make sure you have the notification bell on so you're alerted when I post new videos. With that being said, let's go. All right, the first thing in here is this Evio Beauty Pore Perfect Primer. Let's read. It says a moisturizing primer, check already, with a matte finish will create a smooth base for your foundation, help it last all day. Green tea to soothe the skin and minimize the appearance of pores while reducing any redness for $23. It came in the box just like this, no like box. It looks like this. May have used too much. It has a very much a lotion kind of feel. No smell whatsoever. None. It's instantly sticky on my face. It is quite sticky. All right, it's so sticky. I'm not going to be able to know how good it performs without foundation, so let's put foundation on. I'll be right back. Alright, so I have all my makeup on. Now it's time to move on to the next product. Before I do that, I'm looking in the mirror and my foundation looks actually flawless, and I know that that's like, it's the first time wearing it, but my foundation went on great. It blended out great, and it looks actually flawless on my skin. I used one of my favorite foundations, so I don't know if it's that primer, but if it is, this is really, really decent. I like it. I'm hoping that when I keep trying it, it still performs. Anybody else drink coffee every day? Also, those TikToks I've been seeing where people are like drinking coffee, but mostly milk. Ugh, couldn't be me. So the next thing in the box is something I can't try out today because it is a cleanser, I believe. It is this Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. So let's read. It says, got pores, get this. Created with the powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel. This scrub helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. For me, this is going to be something I don't wear every day or use every day because I only get blackheads on my nose and not as often. But it's good to have something like this in your collection, so when you see those sneaky bastards like sneaking up on you, you can just whip this bad boy out. But I will try this and I'll put it in the description box how I feel about it. And that is $32. The next thing is kind of weird. It is this Glamier little pouch with some brushes in it. Oh, these are cute. They have these like little, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know what to actually call those, but they're just little teeny brushes. You got like 2 blenders. It looks like an angled brush and a little smudger. So excited to have these, mostly because they're so fun. Like, this is so fun. This, however, is not exciting. It is something reminiscent of like something I would get at the dollar store when I was a kid playing with makeup. This is exactly what it feels like and it looks like. And it says glittery, enchanting, and fun. This set features 4 essential eye brushes, ultra soft duo synthetic bristles to make blending flawless. Very excited about the brushes. It's just that packaging that I don't really like, and this is $28. So I'll be using this with the next product. And it is this humongous Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette, which has stunning colors. This is my favorite color. This orange is beautiful, and this like deep green that it goes with, this is so stunning. The packaging on this is beautiful. Ugh. And then you open it up and I'm just in love. Woo. Woo, woo, woo. Very excited to try this out. Let's read about it. It says the nostalgia palette consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity, as well as make you feel nostalgic about some awesome past fun times. This reminds me of vintage glamour, almost like that kind of overarching theme. So I get that. Each color is carefully milled and pressed to provide easiest application and most excellent color payoff. I don't know why I'm trying to show you this. Very excited to try this out, and it is $38.99. And as it always happens, I will quickly do a little speed up application for you guys. I don't know what look I'm going to create, but this palette is really, really nice. So let's get started. Okay, raise your hand if you thought you were filming all of this so far and you actually weren't. My hands are raised. So let me just explain to you what I've done so far. I've used this water slide color as my base, my, lightest color, my lightest transition. Then I went in with this mustard color called Popsicle, deepened it up a little bit. Then I went in with this red called Camping, and here we are. I'm just going to do a few more things on the eye. I do have some thoughts already formulated, so we'll talk about that when I'm done. Because I didn't film anything else on my eye, I'm not going to film the rest of it. I'll talk to you when I'm done. Okay, so I am done my eyeshadow using this palette, and I do have some things to say. So whereas I think this looks really cool and blended and kind of fiery, sunsetty, yellow orange, love how it looked. The mattes were a little bit difficult to work with. They kind of blend away to nothing, and I had to keep layering and layering and layering to get this red color. Shimmers are stunning. I used this orange color and this super gold. Beautiful. I want to play around with it more, because if they don't blend as much as I would like, or if they're not a good quality or my preference of quality, I will give this palette to my sister or my mom, because I have these colors in other palettes, and despite how beautiful these all look together, I just don't need to keep it in my collection if I'm not going to reach for it. So I'm going to play around with some other colors. The purples, I have my eye on as a purple eyeshadow lover. The purples I have my eyes on, and if they don't perform, I think I will be able to confidently pass this along, but the packaging is stunning. I did this whole look using these brushes. I just used my color switch in between, gave them like a little rinse off, and kept going. They were totally fine. I love the handles. I think that's so fun. But these were totally fine. Totally a standard brush. Something else I forgot to say about the palette is that there is no champagne-y highlight color. This is like a tan, and the lightest color in here is this orange shimmer. There's no highlight color, so I did have to go into my highlight drawer to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. So that's something to think about with this palette as well. The last thing in the box is this Trestique Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. It says an eye-opening duo, good for gorgeously defined eyes. Good Vibes Mascara is the first mascara to combine a lash, curler, and mascara in one product. The eye pencil, formulated for sensitive eyes, features a luxurious, versatile formula. The pencil glides on like liquid, but provides pencil precision for $44. Whatever is in here is $44. This is the thickest mascara I've ever seen. And here is just a black eyeliner. Here is the curler. Flip down to curl. Oh my god, you flip this down and I'm scared. I'm so scared to do this because it looks sharp. I don't know how to explain it. This piece looks so sharp, and if I lose my lashes, please don't let me lose the lashes. I'm gonna try it. All right, this is a gimmick. I can't even get my eye is bigger than this, and I can't get my lashes in there. This is weird. I'm not gonna mess with that. Let's move on to the mascara. Probably for the better. I don't want to lose my eyebrows, eyelashes. The mascara is just a standard wand, nice and big. Let's apply. Bear with me and the face I'm about to make. So I don't think the mascara is anything groundbreaking. I do think it's nice, and I think it's okay. I don't understand this. It doesn't fit. This would fit on a toddler's eye, and then I don't want to give my toddler an eyelash curler. So, nor do they need it, because babies and toddlers have the most beautiful eyelashes in the world. But I like the innovation and points for the creativity, but I just don't see it being practical, at least not for me. So I think to cut down on the $44 price tag for this and the eyelash curler and the pencil, to cut down the price, I would get rid of the eyelash curler. Like, that's just my opinion. Let's go ahead and line the waterline with the pencil. All right, very often we get eyeliners in these boxes and they're dry and rough and not good. This glided on fantastically and it worked. I mean, it's in my waterline. It's just a black eyeliner. We all need them, so I'm happy to get them, especially when they're not scrapey and scratchy like they usually are. All right, so that is my final look using everything I got in the box, and I do have some opinions. Loved the primer. I think it made my skin look really good. Hopefully it's the primer and not just my favorite foundation. I actually really, really liked the brushes that came in this. They're so fun and funky and fresh, and they have little hearts in them for Valentine's Day, so I think that's really cute. But they worked really well, and I'm always excited to get like more brushes, especially when they come in a set. Excited to have these. Loved the eyeshadow palette. I hope that it is redeeming when it comes to the purples that are in there, because that's going to be my deciding factor, and hopefully I can get some use out of this, but if not, it will go to a different home. It is beautiful to just look at. Ugh, I love it. This is my color story right here. I love the dark green and the orange flowers. So nice. Only thing I questioned in this box is this eyelash curler. I don't understand what they were going for here. I like the innovation and I like the creativity. I think that's needed in the beauty community when so many things are rinse, wash, and repeat. But you have to make it work, or it's just a gimmick. And I think that that is, in my opinion, just a gimmick. And what else? Oh, the pore scrub. Didn't get to use it today, but always excited to have it in my collection. I have my phone here because the total is $167.94. That's the total of everything in this box, and I paid like $22 for it or something like that. You can't beat the price. It is such a fun and exciting. It's like Christmas once a month. I get all these new products to try. So I love Boxycharm. There's a link down below. If you sign up using my link, I'm not affiliated, but I get those free Boxycharm points, which I will use to redeem makeup on their website. So if you like it, it is down below. You don't have to use it, obviously. Or if you're already subscribed to Boxycharm, leave me a comment and let me know your favorite products that you got this month. But that is all, and I hope you guys have a great weekend, week, month, year. Make 2020 your year. But that's going to be it for this video. And for me, I'm going to go finish my day of work and cry because I still have like 6 hours left. But that's it for this video, everyone. I will see you in the next one. Bye.